how to create a Facebook account. This is a step-by-step tutorial on how I teach beginners on how to go about the social media account. Facebook is a social media platform that connects loved ones and friends. So guys, if you're new in my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share and drop a comment. So let's jump right in. You need to go to Apple Store or Play Store, and then you search Facebook. Then you search Facebook. Follow the chroma key, guys. Search Facebook. Then you click on create account. Then you click create account again. You put in your first name and your last name. You put in your first name and your last name. This is a name that is going to display in your account. People are going to use it to search. After putting your name, you click on the next. Now is to input your date of birth. Follow the chroma key. 22nd February 1999. So feel free to roll it here. Feel free to roll it. When you are done setting your date of birth, you click next. Click next. Are you a male or a female? Click next. You choose and you click next. Secondly, you need to put your mobile number or your email. You're going to sign in with your mobile number or with your email. I will use mobile number first, then second I will use email. It's very important. After you put in your mobile number, you receive so now here you have to put a password, guys. This password, you don't need to play with it. This is a password where you can log in at any time. So follow this format of my password, like your name. Make sure one capital letter is included. Put numbers and put any like hash, any other thing you can put, like odd numbers you can put. You put it there and you click next. So they will ask you to agree. You read the policies, the Facebook policies, and then you agree. So I have an account, but I'm going to choose a different account. But if you are creating it for the first time, you will not see all these things. So yes, find my account, create this one. And now you need to put your email and receive a notification. When you put your email, you receive a notification. Yes, Facebook is sending a notification through your email. You collect it and you put it in. You click next. Click next. They'll ask you to add a profile picture. You can add it now or you can make next. You can click a skip. You can make it skip or you add the profile picture. So from here, welcome to Facebook. You see your name has appeared. Welcome to Facebook. So you're going to click on next. You click on next again. They ask you to add access to your phone number so that you can be used to have friends in Facebook. So you go ahead and select contact, or you select all the contacts in your phone to enable your families and friends to be able to locate you easily. So here yeah, that is it, guys. So you put in your email, put your email here, and you receive a password also from your email. This place you put your email and you receive a password from your email. This is the password. You put it in and then you click on confirm, and now you are in Facebook. After this thumbs up, you're going to like a video or picture. You come to this other place here where the icon, the chroma key is going. You click on that place. You're going to comment. You write, then come to this arrow here and click send. Okay, it's done. Moving forward, now to add a friend, come down to this icon down here, click on the icon, friends. I have 3 friends. I can confirm or delete them. So these are lists of friends where you can add as your friends. If you don't see anybody here to add as your friend, you can go to the top right hand side, click on the search icon, and then you're going to search the person, if you know the person by name. Search. Okay, then you search. Now the person have appeared. This is the person I was searching. It's appeared, and then you click on add friend, and you've added a friend. You can cancel the request. So guys, thank you so much for watching and for making it up to the end of this video.